Hello, friends. Welcome to Dye and Craft. Bird baths are an excellent way to attract birds to your yard, providing them a source of fresh water for drinking and bathing. While you can purchase pre-made bird baths from stores or online, dye bird baths can offer unique benefits that you may not find in store-bought options. In today's video, we will see a few different diaper baths. There are many benefits like diaper baths offer us the ability to customize them to your liking. You can choose the size, shape, and materials of your bird bath as well as add decorative elements to make it unique. By creating a bird bath that can complement your garden or outdoor space. You can make it a focal point and enjoy watching the birds that come to visit. Dye bird baths can be much more affordable than purchasing pre-made options. Well, the cost will depend on the materials you choose. You can often create a functional and attractive bird bath for a fraction of the cost of store bought models. Another benefit of dye bird baths is that their sustainability. By repurposing materials or using eco friendly options, you can reduce waste and promote a more environmentally conscious approach to bird watching. Creating your own bird bath allows you to express your creativity and experiment with different designs. You can choose various materials such as stone, wood, or ceramic, and even incorporate found objects like old pots, dishes, or tiles. The possibilities are endless, and you can create a bird bath that is truly one of a kind. Dye bird baths can be designed to be more accessible for birds, making it easier them to use and enjoy. For example, you can create a shallow basin that is easy for birds to enter and exit, including textured surfaces to help them grip onto while bathing. Thai bird baths offer many benefits from customization to affordability. While Thai bird baths can require some effort and creativity, the benefits of making it a worthwhile endeavor for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts. Not only they provide birds with a source of fresh water, but they also add a unique and personalized touch to your outdoor space. When creating a dye bird bath, it is essential to consider the needs of the birds that will use it. Birds prefer basins with textured surfaces to help them grip. Avoid using harsh chemicals or toxic materials. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.